Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to resume a session in Claude Code. Claude Code automatically saves your conversation history, making it easy to return to previous work without starting from scratch. Resuming a session is useful when you are working on a long project, debugging an issue over multiple days, or continuing a feature you started earlier. Now to simply resume the most recent session, let's go here into the chats and go to sessions, and here you'll find like all the sessions that you have opened before, as you can see right here. The second method is to choose from the resume most recent session, so you can literally just go and open your chat, and on Claude Code you literally can write down like commands like cloud / resume. Claude Code will reopen your most recent session, including its conversation history and context. Now, if you have written down this, and if multiple sessions exist, Claude Code will display a session picker where you can choose the conversation you want to continue. This is useful when you have several projects running at the same time. The third thing to do is to literally just click down /resume, and while Claude Code is running, you can use this. This opens the session selection menu and lets you switch back to a previous conversation. Now, what gets restored when you do this? When you resume a session, Claude Code restores previous prompts, Claude's responses, conversation history, project context, file referenced during the session, plans and decisions made earlier. This allows you to continue where you have let off instead of re-explaining everything from the beginning, which is pretty cool. So, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you to resume a session in Claude Code. If you liked it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Leave us a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.